Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope everybody is staying safe. I'm coming back to you with another video. Today I bought myself a Amazfit 5. I'm gonna stick with that pronunciation. I don't know if that's what's the name's called. So I have a Fitbit Charger 3, but I wanted something different. Charge 3 works fine, but I have a hell of a hard time getting it connected to the phone every single time when I have to reset something. It's just a pain. So I picked up this guy. Now the Amazfit recently has made a pretty pretty good name for themselves. Look like their products are pretty good now. I looked at a lot of the online reviews, so this is how big this thing is. Comparing to this guy, not that much bigger, not that much difference. Though this face looks like it's slightly a little bit wider, but this guy is quite small. Also, the other thing that I picked this up, it also does the oxygen, the CO2. So in the box, it's got a little charging cable. It looks pretty interesting. You can see that. So it looks like it just snaps on. There's magnets on here. So looks like there's no juice at this time. I'll get it charged up in a minute, and then we can go through the settings. And wow, look at this little booklet. It's pretty big. So I'm gonna get it charged up, and we'll come back to it, and then we'll download the app and see how that works. Actually, the build quality on this thing is pretty good. It's not bad. This is the band. I think this thing can come off, I believe. Oh, that's it. This is how big it is. So feels good. Feels very premium. So it's just a tracker. I don't need like a watch, but it does. It acts like a watch. It has the time. That's all I need. So here's the app. I'm just gonna install it. Zap is the app for the Amazfit, and I'm done. I'm launching this, and then you have to sign in, create an account. Let me just get this going. Got some personal information. I get through this. You have to allow access, and here's the dashboard of the app. That's what you're looking at here. This is where all your information is going to be displayed after you have any activities. Here you see a lot of features you can go through. It shows your heart rate, setting up your weight, setting up everything else, the alarm, your sleep, your stress. These are all information that you can look at. Settings. Here what I'm doing is I need to pair the device first, and selecting the band, and again you need to allow your phone to access it. It's searching, found the device, and right now it's restoring the settings. It is going to take a while, so I'm just going to skip through it. And now it's updating the device. It is going to take a long time. It's the same as every other device when it's updating, but it's definitely faster than my Charge 3. The Charge 3 took a long time. This one maybe 5 minutes or so, which is really good. There's the clock, status, PAI, heart rate, SpO2, notifications. I get these set up, your stress level, your breathing. Well, it's got quite a bit of stuff. The weathers, very normal stuff. Workouts, more. Okay, workouts. So what do we have? Outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, and walking. I wonder if I can rearrange these. It's got quite a lot. The Fitbit charger only has four, I think, four. So exercise, walk, treadmill, cycling, weight, swimming, 5, running, 6. This thing. Workout, you got 4, 5. Walking. You got yoga, jump rope, swimming, freestyle. A few more. So that's good. Go back. So let's see the heart rate. I have to turn this thing on. So it's measuring 88 right now. '91, '89, '92. It's close enough. It's getting higher. I guess I am getting a little excited, maybe. So, but this thing also has a oxygen, SpO2. Let me do this. Let's measure again. 97 on this guy. '96 on this, and this also shows the heart rate of 76. So, I mean, the heart rate is heart rate is decent. So, oxygen, it's about 96, 97. I guess that's about right. Let me come back to the app again. Here, wrong place. I'm going to go into the settings here. You can actually prioritize all of your the workouts the way you want to see the display, what you want to see first on the first page, second page, third page, and so on. And with that, you can drag it, move it. If you want to see this first, notification, heart rate, whatever you need to see first, you can arrange that. Once you arrange it and you save it, it will sync to the to the band 5. There's 2 sets of display setting. I'm sorry. There is a shortcut display and there's a display setting. Now, 2 different things. One of them, the shortcut is when you do swipe left and right. And the display setting is when you swipe up and down. I don't know why. It seems like it's duplicating itself for the same particular sets of functions. There's many other settings that you can do here. Just go around, go look into it, and set it the way you want it to set. This is what I'm referring to when I said there's two sets of display. There's one set of display. This is the display setting. The organization, when you organize these, which page, which comes first, which comes second. This is the display settings. Here, the other settings, the shortcuts, is when you swipe left and right. Technically, it almost shows exactly the same thing. I don't know why they need to do that twice, but it's there. So this is what the difference are. Alright, so I just got to a park right now. I'm only doing walking right now, so we'll see how this thing works. Okay, here we go. So I am heading back towards my route. Let's see. Look at the sunset. Again, a little bit over 1,000 steps. Not much of a healthy guy, to be honest with you. But why would you have a tracker? Well, that's because everybody else has one, right? So I gotta have one too. Enjoy the sunset. There's no built-in GPS in this, guys, so it is using the phone GPS, as you can see over here on the app. It is running. There's more information as you swipe up, so you can see your cardiac heart rate and calories. So I just concluded my walk. I'm gonna hit the stop on this guy. These are the info, the times I spent, speed. That's my super hard walking exercise. 2,000 steps, not so much. All the data gets migrated over to your sync over to your phone, the app here. So I just did 4,000 steps, and the heart rate 129, 0.87 miles, and the time about 20 minutes, a little less. So here's all the data that gets recorded in here. I couldn't show you any GPS data. It's only set to when the app is open, so I have to set it at allow all the time. I forgot to mention, this thing is waterproof, so you could take a shower with it. It has the swimming activity, of course. You can dip it in water. The only thing that I would be swimming is it's called floating. So when I drown and die, that's when I know how to swim. The bad thing about this is I hate this band. This band is really hard to get on. Easy to take off, but it's hard to get it on. What else is there? It doesn't come with a built-in GPS, so you have to use your phone. It does not have auto brightness, and in the daytime, daylight, the screen is a little bit hard to see. I actually pushed it up to about 75-80% brightness. The battery will last you, they said, anywhere about 15 days. So I don't know, maybe if you use it more with a lot of notification, maybe a little less. Other than that, everything's good on this thing. So far so good. Oh yes, the blood oxygen on this guy, it's not really as accurate as it should be. I mean, I tried it yesterday at home. It was okay. but I tried again. Sometimes it's a little low, so take that with a grain of salt. If you have any complications, do not use this as a reference only. It's not a medical device. Always contact your medical professional. Okay, and again, look at the nice sunset. Thank you for watching, and if you like what I do, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you again.